The Armada is not a sea fight of the days of Nelson or fleet against fleet. It is essentially a Spanish version of D-Day. It's an amphibious invasion.
The defeat of the Spanish Armada is an extremely important event in history. Many people don't think it was a defeat, that in fact it was the weather that defeated the Armada. But I rather think that the English won on points. Lord Howard of Effingham commissioned some tapestry weavers in Brussels to weave 10 large tapestries to commemorate this victory.
So when they perished in the fire of 1834, there was a great keenness that they should reappear again.
And it was always the intention to reproduce, if possible, those tapestries in painting form because they were so iconic.
The project was originally planned to take 2 years. 5 months of imaging and 19 months of painting. And that's it, that's complete. Brush is down.
"40 feet up in the air, blank wall compartments covered in wallpaper. It's been wallpaper for the last 160 years, and that's where the Spanish Armada paintings will go.
It really is a dream come true.